Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside your project. Make a backup now so changes are reversible. Open the tempo track immediately, view, then show tempo track, because this is the only way to automate tempo mid-song. Once visible, make sure the master track is unlocked and set to follow the tempo track. This ensures regions and loops respond properly. You'll see a straight tempo line. You're about to add breakpoints to that line, so position the playhead where the change should begin. You add breakpoints by clicking the tempo line at the playhead. Do it where the new feel should start. Once added, drag the point up or down to change BPM. Small nudges equal small tempo adjustments, big drags equal dramatic shifts. If you want a smooth transition, add 2 nearby breakpoints and drag them to different BPMs. Garageband interpolates a ramp between them. Make sure quantization and tick settings don't fight your edits. Adjust grid strength for fine control if needed. Once you've shaped the tempo, play the section from before the change to confirm musical timing. You may need to enable flex time on audio tracks so they stretch without artifacts. Select the region, choose editor, then enable flex. If MIDI drifts, confirm each track is set to follow global tempo. When satisfied, bounce or export to lock the performance. If you hear clicks or warped audio, try slicing the audio at the transition and crossfading, or re-render problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.